Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2013 International Durastar box truck. It says box van, but it's a truck. uh, as you can see, it's a truck from Canada Post, so used to haul mail. The casting is by Greenlight. It's in 1:64 scale. It says 14 plus. So it's a collectible, not a toy. That's because they have small parts which kids can swallow. Looks like a nice casting. I don't think I ever had a 1:64 truck from Greenlight before. I mean, I had pickup trucks, not a box truck. So yeah, it says have HD trucks on top of it. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 2013 International Durastar out of this box. As you will notice, it's from Canada Post, so they carries the paint theme from their post. Like whatever vehicle they have this red, blue, white paint theme, and the cab is finished in red. I think because of that, I've seen some with red, some with white on the road. They might not be that common when it comes to red colors, but it looks like it has nice details. Now I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front of the cab, you can see there are a lot of good details. You got detailed headlamp, a detailed grille with international badge, a door bumper which is finished in black. Has got both the mirrors, the big mirrors which you get on the trucks, windshield wipers. Also got the other mirror which you normally get on big trucks, right here, which can show you like what's right at the bottom next to your door. The box is obviously bigger than the cab. You can see that. That's how usually the commercial trucks are. Now moving to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, then there are also some good details. The wheels, rubber tires, and these wheels look very close to what you see on the actual truck. You got the Canada Post logo on the driver door, and door handle is also detailed. You also get a step to climb in the truck. Rear again, same how it looks on the actual truck. It's a bigger truck, so you got two tires, dual. You also get mud flaps, Canada Post design with their symbol and written in both English and French. Canada Post. Post is Canada. It also says from anywhere to anyone, and I think that's the French. And then you got the number and the website for Canada Post. Yeah, a lot of good details here. Looks nice. There's no glass in the door. You can see the black interior. Obviously it's a day cab, so 2 seats, and the bigger trucks have like extra bed in the back. Now this is how it looks from the back. Again, good details there. You got a lot of running lamps, hinges. Also the door opens. We'll show you what's inside. You've got the tail lamps on the bottom, and then this bar, I think, which is for safety, that's so that the cars, in case of an accident, don't go in. Now this door opens, and once you open up, you can see the inside. So there's this floor. I think it's correctly colored compared to what you see on the actual trucks. They have this kind of floor, and then there is the walls which have reinforcement just to make sure it stays the way it is. Now moving to the, I won't say passenger, but the other side. So on the other side, the difference you can see, you've got a door here. So if you're getting like smaller stuff, you can just take it out of here and have to open all the doors. I did miss the running lamps on the other side, so you've got those lights on the top, one here, one at the back. Apart from that, looks almost identical to what the driver's side was. Then there are some marker lamps here too. On the top it has a silver finish, and if you look at the base, there are some details. You can see the propeller shaft going from front to back, and the chassis. So, and it is screwed and it's not riveted. So if you want to change something or add some details, it will be easier to do that. Overall, so this is not my first truck casting. I have another truck. I think this is my first proper 1:64 truck casting, and I think it looks good. Has got some good details. I like the design of it. I like the wheels on it. And if you are into trucks, I think it's a good casting by Greenlight. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.